I'll meet you in the station. I'll meet you on the station. I'll meet you at the station. 3 sentences. Same words. But only one is correct. Do you know which one? Stay with me. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which one to use and why. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Plain Simple English. I'm so happy you're here, because today we're tackling 3 of the most confusing words in English, in, on, and at. They're tiny words, but they trip up even advanced learners every single day. The good news: once you understand the logic behind them, they start to feel natural very quickly. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a free English lesson. And if you find today's lesson helpful, a quick like really helps this channel reach more learners like you. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. In, inside or longer periods. Think of in as being inside something, a space, a container, or a longer stretch of time. Use in when something is enclosed or surrounded. I'm in the kitchen. She's in her room. We're in the office right now. Picture walls around you. A room, a building, a city, a country, you are in it. More examples. He lives in London. The keys are in my bag. There's something in the box. Time. Use in for longer periods, months, seasons, years, and parts of the day, except night. I was born in July. School starts in September. She graduated in 2019. It gets cold in winter. I usually exercise in the morning. Let's talk in the afternoon. Tip: if you can't point to an exact moment, use in. Let's say it together. In is for inside spaces and longer time periods. Number 2. On, surfaces and specific days. Think of on as a surface. Something is resting on top of something else. For time, on is used for specific days and dates. Place. Use on when something is touching a surface. The book is on the table. The picture is on the wall. My phone is on the bed. There's a stain on my shirt. Also use on for roads, floors, and screens. His flat is on the 3rd floor. There's heavy traffic on the highway. I saw it on TV. She posted it on Instagram. Time. Use on for specific days and dates. I'll see you on Monday. The match is on Saturday. Her birthday is on the 15th of August. We have a meeting on Friday morning. Tip: if you can say the name of the day or the date, use on. Let's say it together. On is for surfaces and specific days. Number 3. At, exact points in time and place. Think of at as a specific point, a precise time, or an exact location. No surrounding walls, no surface, just a pinpoint. Place. Use at for specific locations, spots, addresses, events. She's at the bus stop. He's waiting at the door. We met at the airport. I'll see you at the cafe. Also use at for activities that happen at a location. The kids are at school. She's at work. He's at the gym. Time. Use at for exact clock times and fixed points in the day. The train leaves at 8 a.m. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. The shop opens at noon. I always wake up at midnight. Tip: if you can point your finger at an exact time, or a spot on a map, use at. Let's say it together. At is for exact times and specific points. Number 4. Side by side, the big comparison. Let's put all three together so the difference really clicks. Time: I'll visit in December. Whole month, IN. I'll visit on the 5th of December. Specific date, ON. I'll visit at 3 p.m. on the 5th. Exact time, AT. Place: she works in a big hospital. Inside a building, IN. Her office is on the 2nd floor. Surface or level, ON. Meet her at the reception desk. Specific point, AT. 5. Memory shortcut. Here's a simple way to remember all three. IN. Think of a box. You are inside it. Spaces, cities, countries, months, years, seasons. ON. Think of a table. Something is resting on top. Surfaces, floors, days, dates, screens, roads. AT. Think of a pin on a map. One exact spot. Exact clock times, specific locations, addresses. Say this with me. Say it twice to lock it in. IN for inside. ON for surfaces. AT for exact points. In for inside. On for surfaces. At for exact points. Now, going back to the question from the very beginning. I'll meet you in the station. I'll meet you on the station. I'll meet you at the station. The correct answer is, at the station. Because a station is a specific point, a location you can pin on a map. That's at. See how that works now? Here's your challenge for today. Write 3 sentences in the comments, 1 using IN, 1 using ON, and 1 using AT. It can be about your day, your city, your life, anything. I'll read every comment and give you feedback. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like. It takes 1 second and it helps so many other learners find this video for free. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you get every new lesson the moment it goes live. Thank you so much for learning with me today. You're not just learning English, you're building real confidence. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep going, you're doing great.